Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a different location. I'm in my office right now and I'm going to be sharing some holiday decor with you. So first up, I'm going to put the tree up in my office. It's going to go right up here in front of the windows. I have been rearranging and organizing my office. I filmed the entire thing, so if that video is up, I will put it up in the cards. I'm not completely done with it, so I don't know what order these are going to go up in, but I'm going to do my tree in my office. I'm going to make this Pom Garland for the backdrop of my videos. I have a little Christmas tree village that's gonna go in the living room. We're not getting our actual tree yet because we get a real tree. We're gonna go cut it down and you'll see that during Vlogmas. But since it is real, it would obviously be dead if we put up a real tree right now. So I hope that you guys are ready for some holiday decor. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'm doing Vlogmas, so there's gonna be tons of holiday content coming very, very soon. And let's do this. Also, I will link everything down below that I can. There's some good stuff that is gonna go on my tree this year. All right, I got my tree up. Now I'm going to decorate it. A couple of things I wanted to show. So this garland I made last year, and I'm pretty sure I did a video on it. I'm like 99% sure. So if I did, I will leave it up in the cards here for you. And then these ornaments are made by my sister. She made them for me last year for Christmas. So they weren't on my tree last year. I'm so excited to put them on my tree. But they are handmade and hand beaded. And she actually, I like forced her to start an Etsy shop. And so she has them up in her shop right now. There's like a set with 2 mittens and a hat. And they are just so cute. They come in a bunch of different color options and they are so well made. So hand beaded and hand sewn. I'm just so proud of her. They're so cute. And I think that these would be perfect if you have pets or kids or anything because they are like indestructible. So your kids could pull them off of the tree and they wouldn't break or anything since they're just stuffed fabric. So absolutely love them. I will link them down below. Like I said, they come in a bunch of colors, but she made me like a bunch of different shades of pink, which I love. So those will be down below. And then I have a couple of sets of ornaments that I've gotten over the past couple of years. So I will look for those and try and find them as well. And then I will also try to find my tree skirt, which is just this like double layered felt-ish skirt. So let's get tree. I didn't use all of the ornaments because I did have the ones that my sister made me and then the other set that she gave me. So this one I have some left, but I used all of the ones that she made me and then the entire other set. So that is everything for my tree. All right, it's a couple days later that I filmed my tree on Friday night and now it is Sunday. I am getting ready to put up my little Christmas village. So I'm gonna show you guys the before and then obviously show you how I do it. I have had the trees that are in my village for a while. I will try to find as much as I can online and link everything that I possibly can for you guys down below. We are in the kitchen. So I have this little buffet and I put my village right on top here, which this tree, my mom actually got me this year. I will try and find it and link it for you. I haven't found a home for it quite yet, but I love it. I think it is the cutest. It might actually go into my office, but I am going to clean everything off of here. And then I do change out my little bar corner for the holidays. I have a letter board, but then I also just have a bunch of like different napkins and straws and stuff that I swap out depending on what time of the year. So I'll switch that out and then I will put my village all across here. So let's do it. This is a lifesaver when it comes to doing Christmas decor. It's just this multi-plug, and it's instead of doing like one of those strip plugs on the cord, this plugs right into the wall, and then since the cords plug in sideways, you can have it against something. So I'm gonna put this in, plug all of the houses into it. It would be even better if this plug could be hidden behind the buffet, but unfortunately I have this floor vent that I can't cover. So that is how it is. At least you can't really see the plugs, like there's no wires or anything. So this is my village all set up. It looks so cute at night with all of the houses lit up. And this is just batting. You can get this at like Joann's. It's just fabric batting, and then you can kind of mess around with it, but I think it looks perfect for the snow. The next thing on my list is to redo the backdrop of my videos. So I want to make this little pom garland, and I found these poms on Amazon. I have looked everywhere. I was looking at like Joann's and Michael's, all the craft stores, and the ones that they have are more like faux fur. I'll zoom in. I have some of them on this garland that I made last year, which I will link that video down below, but I wanted some that were more of a wool texture because these ones are easier to get a needle through without like making them fall apart. So these ones I got on Amazon. I will link them. They have a few different shades of pink and then some gray and white. I'll show you guys when we get into it. And then I always try to reuse things that I already have on hand. I already had so many different like strings and ribbons, and so I found these two that I was trying to decide between. They both have gold in them, but this one is more of like very, very metallic. And then this one is more like a actual string thread, but I did want to just pull out what I had, so I think I'm going to use this one. If I can find it, I will link it. I will link both of them if I can find them. And then the last thing that I have is this little plastic needle. So, and I do need scissors. Okay, I'm going to move you guys down to the floor so you can see what I'm doing. And yeah, let's put this garland together. The first thing I did was measure the space that I wanted the garland to hang on over on my shelves, and then I cut this just a bit longer so that I had a little spot to secure it. So that is this one, and then I'm going to make one that's a little bit longer than this. So I'm thinking I want that one to just be probably like maybe 4 inches-ish longer. That's more than 4 inches, but I'm just going to give myself room in case I need it. So I'm just going to take one to the side. This one I'm going to put through the needle. I was thinking these would be fun colors for the holidays, but then also just after the holidays I can keep them up for basically all of winter. Of course, they have a bunch of different colors, and they do have more like traditional Christmas colors if you're into that. So I'm just going to start fishing these through. I don't know if this needle is going to work. I don't think it is. Hold on. What on earth would we do without Mom's? This is the sewing kit that she gave me when I moved into my house. So I'm gonna grab a needle from here. This is kind of the one with the biggest hole in it. Okay, let's try this. All right, take 2. Much better. And I don't know what pattern I'm going to do yet. think I might just lay it out a little bit. I don't want it to be perfect, so we'll see. This is my video background where I film, and I'm going to hang the garland from this bottom shelf. So I'm going to take everything down, clean it, and then put up the garland. I was going through all of the decor in my little Christmas closet in the basement, and I just came across this glitter tree that I've had for a while, and then also these two little gold houses. I think I got these from Target last year. They have really cute options this year too, so I will link them. But I think I'm gonna put these on the shelf behind my filming setup. All I have on the shelf so far is just this garland, and so since this has the metallic thread, which you can't see that much from far away, but I do think that the houses will look really cute on there. Okay, I definitely need a couple more things, but you can't really see this shelf or that one in my background, so I might leave those ones plain and just decorate this one. I might actually just take those ones off the wall for now and then just have this one in my background. But so far, I'll just show you what it looks like if I'm filming. So this is kind of what it would look like. I might actually raise my filming area so that you can see that tree. I don't know yet, but I do think that it's looking really cute. Alrighty guys, that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my little decorate with me. There's going to be more coming because like I said earlier, we're going to be cutting down our tree probably Thanksgiving weekend, so you'll see that during Vlogmas, and we'll decorate all of it with you and kind of the rest of the house. But that was kind of my mini before Thanksgiving decorating sesh. So definitely subscribe below so you don't miss out on Vlogmas, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.